In life, we often face challenges that make us dream of a better future. We aspire to achieve greatness and long for a life filled with success and fulfillment. But how do we turn these dreams into reality? How do we bridge the gap between where we are now and where we want to be? The answer lies in a powerful principle known as the law of assumption. Popularized by Neville Goddard, the law of assumption teaches that our assumptions shape our reality. In other words, what we believe about ourselves and our circumstances determines the outcomes we experience. It emphasizes the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations in shaping the course of our lives. Belief is the foundation of the law of assumption. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Our beliefs set the limits of what we can achieve. If we believe in our abilities, we open the door to endless possibilities. But if we doubt ourselves, we restrict our potential and hinder our progress. To harness the power of the law of assumption, we must shift our mindset. It requires us to reframe our thoughts and adopt empowering beliefs that align with our goals and aspirations. As Wayne Dyer said, change the way you look at things, and the things you look at will change. A powerful way to shift your perspective is by cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Instead of focusing on limitations or scarcity, choose to see opportunities and abundance in every situation. This shift allows you to approach challenges with optimism and creativity, leading to breakthroughs and success. Understanding the law of assumption is just the first step. To truly manifest your dreams, you must apply it in your daily life. Here are some practical steps to help you harness its power. Step 1. First, identify what you truly desire. Take time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel? Be specific and vividly imagine your desired outcome. As Napoleon Hill once said, desire is the starting point of all achievement. Write down your desires and create a vision board or visual representation of what you want to manifest. This helps internalize your desires and aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious intentions. Step 2. Once you've clarified your desires, close your eyes and mentally visualize yourself already living the life you want. Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds of success, and feel the emotions of achievement. Visualization helps clarify your desires and reinforces the emotions and beliefs associated with your desired reality. When you vividly imagine your success, your subconscious begins to align your thoughts and actions with that reality. Step 3. Affirmations are powerful tools to align your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, you might affirm, I am a successful entrepreneur. I attract opportunities and abundance into my life every day. My business grows and thrives. Consciously repeating affirmations reinforces your assumptions and invites the manifestation of your dreams. As Louise Hay said, every thought we think is creating our future. Step 4. To bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome, act as if your dreams have already come true. Embody the qualities and habits of the person you aspire to become. For instance, if you desire to be a successful writer, start acting as if you are already a published author. Dedicate time each day to writing, attend workshops, and connect with other writers. By acting as if you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals. As you follow these steps, it's important to identify limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Limiting beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. Take time to examine your beliefs. Ask yourself, what do I believe about myself and my potential? Are these beliefs helping or hindering my progress? Limiting beliefs can manifest in many areas of life: relationships, career, finances, or self-worth. They often show up as self-critical thoughts, doubts, or fears. Common examples include, I'm not smart enough, I don't deserve happiness, or I always fail at everything I try. Once you identify your limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself if they're truly valid. Look for evidence that contradicts them. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. For example, if you believe you're not intelligent enough to succeed, remind yourself of your past achievements and reframe the belief into something like, I am capable of learning and growing in any field I choose. As Tony Robbins said, it's not the events of our lives that shape us, but our beliefs about what those events mean. Beliefs aren't fixed. You have the power to change them. Manifesting your dreams through the law of assumption takes patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are your dreams. Trust the process. Stay committed to your vision and remain patient even when results aren't immediate. As Ralph Waldo Emerson wisely said, adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. To fully embrace the law of assumption, trust in a higher power or the universe. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and guiding you toward your dreams. Let go of the need to control every detail and surrender to life's flow. As Lao Tzu said, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Your destiny is in your hands, and the possibilities are endless. If you've made it this far, congratulations. I wish you all the best on your journey. Please feel free to leave a comment and support my work. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a beautiful day ahead.